Well, hello! I'm alone today, so as you guys can see, it's just me. But I'm trying out the new setup over here, so I'm doing this in my study at home. So we have a few components being set up over here. So we have the microscope, oh, don't look too close, and then we have a top-down view over here, which I just want to give a quick go, and then we have the keyboard back here for me just to jump between the different scenes, you know? So, and then we have the station over here, but today we are going to be working on this, my Nintendo Switch. So a while back, I replaced this motherboard in here with this one over here because I broke one of these in the original one, if it makes sense. So this one was originally in here and it broke, and then I took this board because this one was not working for some reason. I got it for free from someone and they said it's not working, I can have it. So then I took this board, put it in here. So if we look at the switch over here, if you put this one in, can you guys see? It says it's a blue remote. So let me quickly show you. It says it's blue, right? So I want to see if I can switch this board back into here and replace this one in the original case. I don't know, I can't remember what's wrong. And I think I maybe blew a component on this board, I'm not too sure. So we have the microscope also over here. I really don't know whether we're gonna use it or not, but we're gonna have a see. And I'm just piloting the system over here to see how it works, and then maybe we will shoot more episodes from here in the future. But let us not digress. Let's get into this one over here so that we can start repairing stuff. Jump to over here. See, I almost tore this thing right off, man. So this one over here. Ooh, doesn't that look great? So in the past I did accidentally break that one. So because I tried to open it from the wrong side the first time I got into this thing. So let's quickly grab our tweezers, remove the batteries. This is so weird looking at the microscope. Yeah, there we go. So that's the most important part, to get the batteries out. And then we can start removing all the other stuff. But let's get in there. Now, I usually just use the tweezers. This is so strange doing with the microscope. I need to get used to this. Okay, getting in with my hands. There we go. Alright, so the cable we are replacing is this one over here. So this one goes down to there. As you can see, it is just cleanly snapped off. So yeah. Let me quickly dismantle the rest. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with. I can't replace that with my own hands. So, well, with my soldering skills. So I just bought a new cable, which is more than... Here we go. Alright. I'm not gonna bend the cable unnecessarily. Let's see. It is working. So this definitely not working. This definitely working. Yes. Success. I'm happy about that. Now let's make sure the other buttons work. Alright, so you... There we go. Ah, there we go. So, let's see, what can we put down here so that you don't get the reflection from the camera? So, alright, you just off from the light, I mean. So, the ones we were... Oh, they are working, so... If I press those ones were not working at all, obviously, but you see? Yeah. There we go. But these ones were the ones I was hoping to fix. So yeah, that's great news, man. So now, if you place it in here, you can see over there. Yay! So I'm happy. Okay, so now this one is connecting, both of them are connected. So usually when I played on my screen, I was not able to see that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This thing is working again, and I don't know how the setup must have sounded to you guys. I hope it was great. I hope it was well. And then yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to leave your thumbs up, share love. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not playing games, am I? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, let me know. If you want to see more content like this, obviously our dear friend will always be here in the future. I'm just piloting this madness I have going on over here. Just this is just a madness going on over here. So if you guys enjoyed this setup or this style of content or whatever, let me know. If you'd like to see more like this, let me know. If you like the more organic way that we're used to doing it on the channel, let me know. But I do know this setup works better for me for editing, but the chemistry will definitely be different when our dearest friend is here. So yeah, if you have any comments, any suggestions, please let me know down below. And then we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.